On workspace, drafting and annotation, on tab view, on any panel click right button of mouse, right, and from the drop down menu show panels, activate the panels, navigate. On panel navigate, activate the command orbit. Click left mouse button. On model field, click and tap left mouse button, move the cursor to change the view. Click ESC on the keyboard and we have another way, it's view cube. Click maybe left, rotate, southeast isometric, and we can full navigate well, activate, move the cursor and move on option orbit, click left mouse button. Click left mouse button and tap left mouse button and move the cursor to any way. Click close the well.